Hi guys, so today I'm trying to fix this Parkside drill. Okay, it don't work. Look, I'm pressing and it doesn't do anything. I tried to put it to charge. Put in charge. It does not work either. Okay. So yeah, let's open it and see why. This is the inside. Look at that cable. I think it's not supposed to be like that. It's cut. How? Look at this cable. This cable is cut. How does this happen? How does this cable is like this? Look. Where is possible? I don't know how it can be cut like that inside here. This has the function that it's able to rotate, and I can work with it in the full size. It is really weird. I will solder this cable and try if it will work. Let's try to solder this in here. Now I want to try. Let's see if it works. Okay, now it's working. I don't know how can that wire be cut. Just weird. Okay, now it's perfectly working. Let's just solder it better. Yeah. I think it is good now. Making a good contact. I will just put a little bit of this to isolate. Let's put all back together. Okay, so all the screws are in place, guys. Drill is working just fine. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video.